Hiya, Ben here from the Maths Centre for Excellence at City College Plymouth for a very special episode of Is It Maths or Is It Magic? I'm joined by Katie.
Hi everyone.
She's the project manager for the Maths Centre and she's going to help me show you how to do a magic trick that you can use on your friends. So, to start off with, I'm going to pick up a number between 1 and 9. And I'm going to pick the number 4. Normally, you'd keep this number secret. And then what you're going to do is you're going to ask your friend to think of a number between 1 and 9 and get them to write it down, but keep it secret. So Katie has picked the number 8. So now we're going to get into the maths. Your friend, keeping those numbers secret, is going to times their number by 2. So for Katie, Katie would do 8 times 2. Now she's going to add 2. Now this is where it's going to get tricky. I'm going to test Katie's maths. She's going to times this number by 5. Oh, look at that maths. And then I'm going to ask her to take away 6. And those of you who have been observant will see what number we started with is the same as a number we finished with.
Awesome.
So, if those numbers are kept secret, this is how it works. And it will work for whatever number you pick. But you have to know, as the magician, what your number is. And this is the equation. So, always do your friend's number times by 2, plus 2, times by 5. And then the important bit is you have to remember what number you've got. So you take away 10 minus whatever your number was. And then you'll always end up with the 2 digits that you both picked at the start, even if you don't know what they are. Give it a try, let us know if it worked, and we'll see you at the next one. Thanks, Katie.